Hello, my name is Daniel.
And my name is Brianna, and this is Chef Eduardo. And today we're going to be making some Irish soda bread scones. So we're going to pour our mixture into the bowl. And once it's in the bowl, we'll place our butter in. And once it's in, you're going to press it into the flour. You can rotate your bowl, and you don't have to move your fork, just rotate your bowl. And you want to press it in until it's crumbly. So move your fork from front to the middle, from the side to the middle. So once your butter is in, it should look just like this, crumbly. And then we're gonna move to our eggs, and you're gonna wanna mix your egg yolk into your egg whites. And now we're gonna split our egg in half. Okay, so we'll save this later for our egg wash, but this will go inside of our bowl. Now we're gonna add our milk, and then our vinegar. Okay. And you're gonna mix this in until it's just together, until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix this. Okay, it should look just like this. So now you'll flour your table, and we'll place our mix onto the table. And you can use a bench scraper, but if you don't have one at home, you can also use a spatula. And you're just gonna press this in, you're gonna form a square with it. You can pick it up and put some more flour. Okay. So now we'll cut these in half. And you'll cut them into 3. And then you'll cut those into a triangle. And then Daniel will start placing them onto our sheet pan. And once Daniel's doing that, we can come onto our... So we'll add some water into the rest of the other half of the egg. And you'll just mix this together. So once your egg wash is ready, you'll lightly coat all of your scones. And now Daniel will take this to the oven. So once you put it in the oven at 425 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, it should come out just like this. So thank you for watching, and we hope you guys enjoyed these Irish soda bread scones.